Oh, we got so much candy.
No!
Max, Lily! Stop eating all your trick-or-treat candy.
But Mom, it's Halloween.
Yeah, we're supposed to eat candy.
No, you ate too much. Now help me make a salad for dinner.
Fine. I can't believe she took all our candy.
Don't worry, Lily. We can get back at her using gelatin. Add some gelatin to some hot water. Next, pour the mixture into the salad. Now we let it cool in the fridge. Oh, perfect. Look, Lily, it's a Jello salad.
Wow.
Let's go prank Mom.
Yeah, let's go.
Look, we finished the salad.
Here, try it.
Huh? What is this? Ew, what did you guys do? This looks so gross.
That's what you get for taking our candy.
Enjoy your salad.
Max, get back here. This is still dirty. You need to clean more.
But Mom, I was cleaning all day. I just want to go trick-or-treating.
Not until you're done cleaning.
Oh, man. She always makes me clean. Oh, I know. I'll prank her. All I need are some fake bugs and double-sided tape. Put the tape on the bottom of the bugs. Now we have to stick them to the wall. Ah, perfect. Now to wait for my mom.
Max, how's the cleaning going? Huh? Max, where's there bugs everywhere?
I don't know. They just started crawling up the wall.
Get them away!
Yes, she's gone. Now I can go trick-or-treating.
Perfect. Looks like I have everything I need for my Halloween treat. Someone stole my eggs. I have to catch the thief. For this prank, all I need are toy bugs. Once the box is full, put it back in the fridge and hide.
Oh, man, I'm so hungry. I want some eggs.
Ha! I caught you.
Mom, why did you do that?
That's what you get for stealing all my eggs. I bought those for baking.
Sorry, I was hungry.
Well, go buy more.
Okay.
Hey, stop what you're doing.
What, Mom? What are you talking about?
These decorations are too scary. You have to take them down now.
But Mom, it's Halloween.
Yeah, decorating is important.
No excuses. Do it now.
Man. Don't worry, Max. We don't have to clean up. We need to prank Mom. First, tie the string around the spider. Okay, now attach this to the door.
All right.
Now when the spider scares Mom, she'll be too afraid to come in. I think I hear Mom.
Oh, let's go over there.
Did you guys clean up yet? Ah! Spider!
Yes! She's gone. Now we can finish decorating.
Max, wake up.
Oh, what?
We're going Halloween shopping, remember?
Oh, leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep. I'll go later.
Oh, I need to wake Max up. Oh, I know what to do. All I need to scare Max is the spooky skull. I'll just carefully put this right in front of his face. He'll be so scared he won't be able to sleep. Max!
Oh, what? Ah!
That's what you get for not waking up. Now get ready, we're late.
Oh, fine.
Ooh, Stacy, I was gonna get ready for the Halloween party. She always does that. I'm gonna prank her and I know just what to do. To prank Stacy, all I need is a scary toilet cover. Just put it over the toilet and then close the lid. So when Stacy opens the lid, she'll be in for a big scare. Go ahead.
Thank you. Oh, Lily, it was you! I'll get you for this!
Only you can catch me!
Grilled cheese again?
It's Halloween. Can we get something special?
Yeah!
Really? I worked so hard to make these.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Make spooky food!
Okay, fine.
Yes!
They want spooky food? I'll give them spooky food. Alright guys, here's the food.
What? You made normal food again?
Yeah, this doesn't look spooky at all!
Oh, just try it guys. I promise it's spooky.
Fine.
Ew, Max, this is so gross!
What's wrong with the meatballs?
Didn't you want something spooky?
So nasty!
Enjoy your meal.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!